Hi, welcome to the Heart of the Home. I'm Chef John Maxwell, and we're here at Meadow Hall in Meadow Event Park in Doswell, Virginia, where every week we get a chance to play with some great Virginia food. Today we've got a real special. It's a harvest kind of special. We're doing potatoes, onions, and apples. Great Virginia apples from out in the western part of the state. We got a skillet over here getting hot with a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to add some butter because olive oil doesn't necessarily brown the potatoes the way I want them without getting them overcooked. So I need a little butter to help with the browning. Besides, everybody needs a little dairy in their diet. Now I'm going to add the onions. And I'm going to let those cook until they caramelize just a little bit. It'll take a couple of minutes. All right, this is just beginning to turn brown. I'm going to go ahead and slice up these apples. I didn't want to do it too soon because apples will brown unless you use an acid. I could use a little bit of vinegar on them, but then that tends to make the apples a little mushy. So there we go. Slice these. While that's browning up a little bit. Beautiful, beautiful Virginia apples. Now, you can use any variety of apples you want. Granny Smiths are great for this because of the texture. I like the flavor of these galas. And I'm not going to cook them long enough to mush them out. So, okay, got a little color in here now. I'm going to add these apples. Now, the apples don't take long to cook. We want to stop the cooking process before they get too mushy, so they still have texture. And the way we're going to do that is by deglazing the pan. Deglazing means to add a cold liquid to it so that you pull up the sediments that are attached to the bottom of the pan. It's not kind of like the bits of food that sticks to the pan. We're going to deglaze it with some cider. Let that simmer just a little bit. A little bit of salt. I'm going to add some thyme. This is some nice fresh Virginia thyme. This time of year we get this mostly out of greenhouses. I'm not sure which county this came from. I know there's a lot of greenhouse growing in the west of Richmond. All right, this is just about ready. Now I'm going to add the potatoes to get them hot. All right, we're ready to pull this off. This is just about where we want it to be. We still have some color in the apple skins. A little of that onion from the bottom. And put it on the top. Garnish this with a little bit more thyme. And we're just about there. So there we go. Apple and potato skillet fry. It's wonderful. Taste of Virginia. See you next time.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Maxwell's website at chefjohnmaxwell.com.